Question number 6. Express 3, 4, 5, 8 articles as gross, dozen and unit. Okay. So here given number of articles is equal to 3, 4, 5, 8. To find number of gross, dozen and unit. In solution, we know that 12 unit is equal to 1 dozen and 12 dozen is equal to 1 gross. Okay. To calculate dozen, what we will do? We will divide this number of articles, that is 3, 4, 5, 8 by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, balance is 10, so this will become 105. 12 eights are 96, so balance is 9. 12 eights are 96, so balance will be 2 upon 12. Okay, so the answer will be 288 wholes are 2 upon 12 dozen. But we know that this 2 upon 12 dozen means 2 units. So therefore we can write it as 288 dozen plus 2 units. Okay. Now we need to convert this dozen in gross. So we will write to convert dozen into gross. What we will do? We will divide this dozen by 12. 288 divided by 12 plus 2 units. Okay. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. The balance is 4. 12 fours are 48. So our answer will be, answer is equal to 24 gross, 0 dozen and 2 units. Why we have written here 0 dozen? Because this 288 becomes total 24 gross. There is no remainder here, so there will not be any dozen. So that's why we have written here 0 dozen. Okay.